Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am the cell. I am a basic, structural, and functional unit of life.
I am cell membrane. I am the outermost layer of the cell. I control the movement of substances into, out of, and within the cell. By regulating this transport across the membrane, I maintain balance and keep the cell alive.
I am cell division. I divide parent cells to form new daughter cells.
Hi, I am mitochondria. I am the powerhouse of cell because I convert protein into energy and supplies to body.
I am the protein pool of the cell. I have 615 types of proteins.
I am the ATP factory of the cell. I produce ATP to make sure all the cellular activities are done properly.
I am the storage house of cell in which minerals, that is salt, sugar and organic acids are present. I maintain turgidity and occupies 30% of the cell volume.
I have no proper structure of bone. My structure can vary from cell to cell.
Inside the cell, I am the authority that decides when something has outlived its purposes and must be destroyed. By commanding this controlled destruction and recycling at the right time, I protect order, balance, and the survival of the cell.
I am the suicidal valve of the cell. I format and Golgi apparatus. Lastly, it helps in photosynthesis, storage of fats, proteins, etc. And one more important thing only present in plant cells. Type of plastic, chloroplast. Chloroplast has solar energy. By manufacture of food through a process of photosynthesis, also known as kitchen of the cell.
I am endoplasmic reticulum present in every living cells with our sperm cells and RBCs.
I serve as the core site for protein and lipid synthesis. I ensure highly organization in transport system.
Hi, I am nucleus. I am the largest part of the cell and my first part to be observed.
I am the boss of the cell and I am the central part of the cell. I have four important parts: nuclear envelope, nuclear force, nuclear plasm, nucleolus. Nuclear envelope is the outer covering of nucleus that separates nuclear plasm from cytoplasm. Nuclear force that's exchanged for cytoplasm.
And nuclear plasm, living matter or cytoplasm, it is a jelly-like fluid present inside the nucleus. It contains chromosomes and nucleus and nucleus, hardest part of the cell, core of the cell, storage genetic information.
And my functions are: I store a genetic information in the form of DNA and RNA.
It controls metabolism.
Hi, I am Golgi apparatus. I am the post office of the cell. I help in receiving, packing, and dispatching the proteins. I am present in all cells except RBCs.
Well, talking about its structure, it's made up of flattened, membrane-bound sacs called cisternia. These sacs are arranged one above the other like the stack of pancakes. Small bubble-like vesicles are present around it. It has two distinct phases. Cis phase is the receiving phase and trans phase is the dispatching or sending phase. In plant cells, it is called dictyosome hence.